Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope all is well. Today sharing a country chicken curry. It's simple and easy to cook recipe. You can cook it with the simple things and still make it tasty. So let's start today's recipe. I'll cook in mustard oil. It's important to heat up the oil properly. Let the raw flavor goes away. Then add little sugar, bay leaf, add some chopped dry red chilies. I have removed the seeds because I didn't want the gravy to be hot. Add garlic. Do not over fry the garlic because it will spoil the taste. Just fry till it turns aromatic. Add onion. Fry onion in medium heat. Even after all these years, frying onion is the trickiest part to me. So if you are a beginner, take your time to fry onion, otherwise it will spoil the taste. Fry till it becomes brown, then add ginger paste. Add little water if needed. Fry ginger till the raw flavor goes away. Add chicken. I have taken chicken with skin on. If you didn't know, skin will release lots of oil, so add oil accordingly. Fry in high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add potato if you like. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder as per your taste. Coriander, cumin powder. I use homemade coriander cumin powder. I take 70% of coriander seeds and 30% of cumin seeds to make a powder. Add some tomato. Cook till the tomato softens. The better you fry the spices, the better the gravy will taste. Fry till the oil gets separated. And even after that, fry till the spices turn aromatic. Add hot water because spices mix well in hot water. So use hot water whenever you are making curries. Let it boil in high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the oil gets mixed, then add salt to taste. Mix it well. Cook till the potatoes and chicken are done. Then add Garam Masala. Check my Garam Masala recipes if you'd like to. Cover and cook till you like the consistency. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you would like to check my other chicken recipes, I have got a playlist for you. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like my way of cooking. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.